cattle don't fly. Daddy's gonna blind his remaining eye. Sweet dreams, little one.
Lucky pumpkin. Must be nice to have a loving father.
I did not expect to fight in this tournament, but eventually, even the Shaolin produce a warrior worthy of a Shogun.
I know who you are. I am ready for you.
I will give you a warrior's death.
There's a winch in the back of the truck. Tied a cable to one of those supports up there.
You finna pull his deck down?
Hey, that prick pulled my marriage down.
Man, you really gonna be this fucking dramatic?
Yeah, whatever.
I told you I comped the session, bud!
Well, there were a lot of freaking sessions, bud! I'm thinking you were working on more than just her backhand.
Mandy's backhand has come a long way, bro. But sometimes it's gotta get worse to get better.
Yeah, well, maybe I should come up there and practice my backhand. On your face!
Oh, bud, your negative energy is seriously bringing me down.
Oh, I hope it is, bud.
We hooked up, man.
You come into my house, take my money, and nail my wife? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm gonna stick up my hand and say that was uncool, bud. My bad. Seriously.
How fucking magnanimous! May I please offer you my applause? You fucking motherfucker!
Dude!
Well, the headdress is too big for you, and the cape had too much sparkle. I can't believe I ever thought I could impress her.
It seems that I, Photo Finish, have found the next fashion star here in Ponyville.
Really?
Yes, really. And I, Photo Finish, am going to help her to shine all over Equestria. Tomorrow, a photo shoot in the park. I go.
Nothing.
Nothing? I come home to find you taking a bath with your dolls.
Action figures.
And instead of adding bath salts to the water, you just added Szechuan peppercorns.
Szechuan what? Oh, my tenders. Okay, yes, something's wrong.
There, son. You tell your daddy all about it. Lift your arm.
Well, Shifu says I don't know what it means to be the Dragon Warrior. Now I have to be a teacher? I thought I finally knew who I was. If I'm not the Dragon Warrior, then who am I?
A teacher? Teaching Kung Fu? Oh, that's a promotion. Take the job, son. And someday when you're in charge of the whole Jade Palace, I can sell noodles in the lobby. Why are you still here taking a bath like a baby? Get out, get up, go, go, go. Franchise expansion awaits us.
Oh, what about the Dragon Warrior lookalike contest?
Oh, Mrs. Chow always wins that.
Skadoosh.
And the Dragon Warrior dumpling eating contest? I have to defend my title.
No one's gonna beat your dumpling eating record.
Someone's about to beat your dumpling eating record.
Okay.
You're standing on my throat.
Oh, you're an American.
Thanks. I need my throat for talking, so thank you.
You look like me.
Oh. Hi. Hi. My name is Blue. You know, like the cheese. With the mold on it. You know, that smells really bad. That's stupid. Stupid.
All right, come on. We don't have much time.
Okay, here we go. You can do this, Roger. Yay! Kidnapping! Look, I'm sorry. It's not me. I would never do something like this. It's my father. He's crazy.
I can't believe he pulled it off. Way to go, dum-dum!
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Whatever. I could have done the same thing.
Well. Looks like you're not stopping that asteroid now, are you, Weasel?
Huh? That's not the weasel. That's... I don't know what that is.
Whoa.
Sorry, you startled me. Yeah, that happens. A lot. Lifestyle? So, your name is Blythestyle? No, it's Blythe Baxter. And you are? I'm Whitney Biscuit. And I'm like Brittany Biscuit. We're twins. Good to know. Are you gonna, live here? That's what I've been told. Ah, too bad. This building is lame. Are those your clothes? Yes. Yes, they are. Well, obviously you need some new ones, so if you want to go shopping with us, we'll, like, let you.
I have to do anything else. I mean, I have a lot of unpacking to do. So, thanks, but no.
Excuse me? FYI, Blythe, we've never been told no. And OMG, now that it's happened, I don't think we particularly like it.
Oh, look at you!
Cookie, candy, and pudding too. Good morning!
Good morning!
Look at you three big kitties, grocery shopping all by yourselves.
We're in the middle of a big, important grown-up job. Oh, those skates are really pretty.
Is it my time, Angel?
Time for what?
I'm coming to the light. Can't wait to see all those dead relatives I hate. Ooh, get it off, get it off, get it off!
Go help your sister.
With Dad.
Ah! Demon Angel! Yeah. Ah! Mess with Granny, get knocked on your fanny.
And that's how it's done.
Hello? Angel? Am I in heaven? It's so dark and squishy in here.
Huh?
Oh no! I can still see the light! Yeah!
Pa! I'll save you! Hello!
Oh well, probably for the best.
Yeah, probably.
Definitely.